In this video, I will show you how to download the Samsung Music Player app. To begin downloading the Samsung Music Player app, first locate and open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Once you're in the Google Play Store, look for the search bar at the top of the screen. Tap on it and type in Samsung Music Player. You'll see a list of apps appear. Look for one that has Samsung Electronics as its developer. This ensures you are downloading the official version of the app. To proceed with installation, simply tap on the Install button. The download process will begin immediately after tapping Install. Depending on your internet connection speed, this may take just a few moments. Once installation is finished, you'll see an option that says Open. Tap this button to launch the Samsung Music Player app directly from the Google Play Store. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.